Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I want to show you how to scan QR codes without application using this device. So that is very simple. All you're gonna do is open camera application and you want to point the lens at the QR code. Let me show you another device. So let's perform that, and on your screen you will see pop-up link. Let's tap it and it redirects you to a specific page. But if this does not work, then in your camera application you want to tap this icon right here, and let's tap settings and make sure that scan QR codes is enabled. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.